Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Sweatcoin in 2026. So first of all, you just have to open your Sweatcoin application on your phone, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here on the top right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see all of the Sweatcoins that you have earned. So when you tap on this particular option, you can connect your Sweat wallet with it, and some of your Sweat coins are going to be converted into the Sweat tokens, and then it is also going to show you the equivalent amount of money that you are going to get for that. So you can withdraw that particular money in the form of Sweat crypto to your other account. But if you are looking for withdrawing these Sweat points here inside your application, so what you can do is you can just simply tap on the option of earn. Over here you are going to see a bunch of different options, like you can try any of these passes, and sometimes you are also going to get the gift cards available here. So you can use these points in order to purchase these offers over here, and you can also find the gift cards, so you can select the gift cards and then redeem these points in that particular form. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.